Wow, look at that. Woof, man. Look at that, how bright this thing is. In today's video, we're gonna test these Nilight LED bulbs. These are H11. We're gonna test them on the fog lights, and we're gonna see the difference between these LEDs to the halogen bulbs. Let's do it. Okay guys, this is what it comes inside of the box. Comes with the two bulbs, a pair of gloves. I think it's good because sometimes the bulb is hot. You can use this one not to burn yourself. With the instructions, yeah, how to change them. Okay, but what is amazing about this bulb, there is no wire. I don't know if you have seen my other videos. The LED bulbs, they have a wire, at least like a 12 inches long. This one, there's no wire, and the fan, it's integrated here inside of the bulb. That's amazing. And I think, yeah, it's made of aluminum. That's amazing. Okay, so these are very bright. Okay, these are H11, but they have more options. I'm gonna put the link for this product on the description of the video down below. But first, let's see the OEM bulbs, the difference, and let's see the brightness difference of both bulbs. Okay, now let's compare them for the size. This is only for the size. You can see here it's a little bit taller, the LED, but almost the same. But the bulb, I mean the light, and here this one has like a spring, it's on the same spot. Let me see if I can see it. You can see it. Maybe if I do this you can see it better. On the bottom also, this one is longer because it has the fan inside, but it's almost the same. That's amazing. The connection, this one is H11. You can see the H11 over there. The connection is the same. That's amazing. Okay, so now let's test it on the car. Okay guys, this is how it looks with the OEM halogen bulbs. Look at this. This is the brightness on the wall, so we're gonna see the difference there. Okay, this is from the front. You can see it here. The floor, how brightness of the floor, how it looks, and then you can see it on the wall. Okay, and now this is the brightness on the street with the halogen bulbs. Those are the stock bulbs, the OEM bulbs. Look at that. Those are the fog lights, only the fog lights. Look at that. It looks pretty good. But now let's put the LED bulbs. Okay, so today we're gonna test them on the fog lights. To remove the fog lights on the Honda Pilot, you can remove this plastic here one with a trim tool. Okay. And we can reach here inside the bulb, twist and remove it like this. The bulb on the fog lights, it's H8. This is the one. Okay. Look at that. I have one bulb, the halogen bulb in one side, and in the other side the LED. LED over there, halogen in here. But the difference is twice as brighter. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. And you can see it in here. The white is almost covering the yellow of this bulb on the left side. This is the halogen bulb, the stock bulb, and that's the new LED bulb. This one, this area. Look at that. way brighter, a lot brighter, super bright. So now let's see it on the street. Okay, look at this. You can only see the yellow, I mean the white. The yellow is very small. And look at that. The white is very bright. This one is, you can barely see the light of this one, but that one, look at that. It's amazing. You can see it in the front, the difference, and on the street. Let me go this way so you can see it on the street. Look at that. Even you can barely see that yellow light. The white is covering almost everything. Okay, so now let's put both of the LEDs and let's see the brightness, the final result. Wow, look at this. Look at how bright this thing is. You can see the line on the wall. It's amazing, super bright. Look at the top, look at the bottom. Let's see the front. You cannot see the front. But the most amazing thing, look at that. And I'm not using the headlights. I disconnect the headlights. Those are disconnected, both of them, because I don't want this to make it like I look like I'm cheating. Okay, so this is only the light of the fog lights. Okay, you can see it. You see, look at that. Okay, so now let's see it on the street. Wow. Look at that. Woof, man. Look at that, how bright this thing is. Look at all that. And that's just the fog lights. Okay, the fog lights, they usually they are pointing to the floor. Okay, so to the road. Look at that. Let's see, you want to see the front? Super bright. But let's see the street. Look at that. Whoa. Looks amazing. So now that you saw this, you can decide if you want to get these LEDs. Okay, I'm gonna put the link for these bulbs on the description video down below. Put in the comments, what do you think? Okay, are these worth it? Yes, I recommend them. These are super bright. These are H11, but they have more options. Okay, the link for this product is gonna be in the description of the video down below. Let me know what you guys think on the comment. Any question on the comments down below. Subscribe for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching. Support the channel by subscribing to the channel. If you're subscribed, thank you for subscribing. Okay, for supporting the channel. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.